सब्सक्राइब करो और घंटी दबाओ, नोटिफिकेशन आता।
Hello connections, welcome to day 29 and project 29. Today I am excited to share my latest project is cash calculator of my 30 days 30 project journey. Challenge the cash calculator. This tool allows you to calculate the total value of your cash based on the number of notes you have. It supports various denominations including 2000 and 500 and 100 rupees and more. Simply enter the quantity each note and that value, it will be automatically generated or whatever we give the 500 and 100 rupees notes, it will be count the total cash. Simply enter quantity each note and the app will give the both the total amount in cash and the value written words. It's a practical and fun way to manage your cash efficiently. Stay tuned for explaining of source code part of the explanation. Come to the first HTML part explanation. I am taking off first HTML. Doc type of HTML can be specified as HTML version. Then after take HTML tag 2 can be take of inside language equals to I want to convert it into English language. So I am writing language equals to English, and head tag can be or lot of methods can be link up with that method. And I am taking off inside title can means it will be project title. So I am writing of cache calculator. It will be showing the display of inside of the browser tab, so showing like this. So then after take one link tag to relative of style sheet page. I am writing of hyper references equals to style.css. I am saving in a folder of external page. And then after close the head tag, take one body tag to take inside of take one container. Inside of the container class, after take one h1 tag can be inside container heading of cache calculator text. Then take one total 3 total 10 div tags to row type. So showing like this. I am writing a first one. I am 2000 rupees note and 500 note and 200 100 rupees 50 and 10 rupees and 20 rupees note and 5 rupees and 2 rupees and 1 rupee note. These are the I am taking of total 10 notes. I am taking of total 10 rows of that one, and inside of that nodes images and placeholders IDs and all I am taking this one. Total I am taking 10 div tags in a row method. Then after finally I am writing one div tag class row of button reset, and because whenever I am entering a value of particular nodes, so whenever I am clicking the reset button it will be automatically 0. Then I am entering that value, it will be showing a total cache. So I am writing a span tag to or div tag also span tag I am taking. So below of the code total cache will be displaying the output. So inside of id I am taking off final cache and text final cache words. So I am writing inside of the JavaScript page to giving an even interactivity for this page. So I am explaining later that part one. So that after close that this tags, then take one script tag to giving a interactivity through the HTML page. So I am saving script.js extension, then close the script tag and close body and HTML tag. These are the HTML part of the explanation. Come to the CSS part explanation. So I am taking body selector to inside of the HTML page. So I am take directly method write body and I didn't take any type of margins, and I'm background giving a background color, font family and color. I'm taking off container. Container means showing like this pink and blue color. It is a background linear gradient color, so I'm giving inside, and max width is 600 pixel, and I'm giving margin and padding and border radius to giving a rounded corners. Box shadow is giving a shot of the container, and animations means fading off easy and displays flex and flex direction. I am giving a column type. Align items can be center of the container, showing like this, and box shadow is also instead of the giving a shadow, and header border means text align is center, and margin bottom is 20 pixel. Coming to the h1 of the heading cache calculator, heading is I am taking for text color is a white color, and class of row of the class input boxes, it is a row format. I am taking off margin top and display justify content and align items transition properties. I am giving a margin top to 10 pixel, and displays flexible display, and justify content is center and align items is center, and transform can be of 0.2 seconds of easy. The row hover can be transform of scale is 1.0. I want to image is margin left can be, I am taking off margin left is 10 pixel. I am giving a input type only number. Whenever I am trying to enter any type of characters, it didn't allow any type of characters. It will only allow the numbers. See, so I am giving a selector of input type equal to number. Then padding and font size is I am taking instead of width, border radius, and border and flex transition, and background color, and text color, and font weight. This type of properties I am taking instead of the text input type number. I am taking off one focus method of selector instead of input of type text boxes, and I am taking off border color is orange, and outline is I didn't take any type of outline, and box shadow is the same color for this one, and come to the input of type. I take a WebKit inner spin button, and another one of same another one a spin button to. I didn't take any type of WebKit appearance, so I'm writing of none, and margin also I didn't take, and same this one also. So I'm taking off input type equals to number ms clear, so displays I didn't type anyone. So I'm visibility is hidden, and display can be none and not important to pointer events none, and position can be absolute, right is 0, and cache text is font weight and bold, margin left is 10 pixel, and width is 40 pixel, and like text align is, and come to the body selector of button, a reset buttons showing like this, and inside of button selector I am taking off properties is padding and font size, background color and text color is border, and border radius and cursor and transition of align items. This type of properties I am taking inside of this one, and a button hover to background color of the showing like this, and the text final cache of to showing the below of the total cache, and of the text total cache, and I'm inside of properties is font size, font weight, and margin top and color, and text final cache of words, so showing like this total whatever we giving that value of total cache, that will be showing in the English words of characters in the words type. I'm taking off margin top, and font style and color, and the result part can be display flex, and the flex direction is column type, and keyframes of fade in and opacity is 0, and transform of translation translate y of minus 20 pixel, and 100% of opacity to transform of 0. These are the CSS part of the explanation. Come to the final part. One is JavaScript part. I am taking of total 10 variables of 2500, 200, 150 and 20, 10 and 5 to 1. This type of nodes get reference to the other input fields. To I am calling that methods to document out get element by ID through the HTML page. I am already take a class or ID methods in the HTML page, and after I am calling to a methods of text final cache below of this methods. Then I am taking off text finish cache and text final cache inverts and button results, and document dot get element by ID of button reset. I am taking off instead of total this method I am calling that one, and cache inputs of for each one I'm giving a for method to iterating that, and add event listen can be input, and after their cache calculated automatically to button reset of clicking the add event listen button reset, it will be automatically clear data. So I'm using whenever I am entering particular value, after I'm clicking the reset button, it will be automatically clear the data. Then take one function of cache calculator of denominations and row value total. I'm whatever I'm taking a cache nodes, so it will be I'm writing all values for that one, and cache inputs of index value and denominations index, and perform to calculation for others denomination, and update respective elements to total cache, and function total cache of for each of text appraise into text content through the total cache place and total cache value. For this one whatever I am giving a that cache count, it will be automatically generated total cache name number, and I'm taking off text final cache dot words id to text content variable through the total cache in words, and converted to words to total cache value. I'm writing one function to function of clear data instead of for each of input dot value colon of cache text of for each of text content is 0. So next calling that method total cache. Then I am writing converted to words. I am taking one function for units, teens and tens, and I am writing this one to like this 1 2 3 4 5 7. So showing like this whenever I am giving 20 cache means showing 20 input, and if number is strict equal to 0 return 0. And let what's if I'm giving some logics for taking conditions of math.flow or 10,000 lakhs of crore lakhs thousands and hundred, this type of logics I'm using for this one, and number greater than is 0, so I'm raising of unit 4, and total numbers will be I'm writing console.log method. Then after else if statement to number less than of, I'm taking off total this output conditions console.log of number minus 10, and console.log number, and this type of I'm using this one. I'm using next else part to these conditions. Finally I'm writing total, I'm taking inside of these projects like this one conditions. Finally come to the cache inputs to for each of input dot add event listener of input, and the constant of value is praised into input dot value is 10, and if is none value or value less than 0, the out input value is a empty. So these are the JavaScript part of the explanation. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and stay tuned for more innovative project as I continue this journey. Check out the live version and let me know your feedback. Thank you. Happy coding.